In this video, I'll show you how to use Klarna for your business and set it up so customers can pay over time at checkout. To get started, the first thing you need to do is open your browser and go to Klarna's business page. This is where Klarna allows merchants to sign up and offer flexible payment options to their customers. Once you're on the business page, you'll see options to learn more or get started, so go ahead and choose the option to get started. After clicking Get Started, a new page will open where Klarna asks for some basic business details. Here, you'll need to enter your business email address, your e-commerce website URL, and the country where your business is registered. Make sure all this information is accurate because Klarna uses it to review your application. Once you've filled in these details, continue to the next step. Next, Klarna will ask about the size of your online business. This usually means selecting your estimated yearly revenue range. Choose the option that best matches your business, whether you're just starting out or already generating higher revenue. After that, you'll be asked about the type of products or services you sell. Answer these questions honestly, since Klarna reviews this information during the approval process. Once you've selected the relevant options, continue to move forward. After that, Klarna will ask which e-commerce platform you're using. This could be platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, Magento, Wix, or another supported platform. Select the platform your store is built on, because Klarna will later provide you with the correct integration method for that platform. In the next step, Klarna will explain how their payment methods can help increase conversions by letting customers pay later or split payments into installments. To finish the setup, click on Create Account and complete any remaining details Klarna asks for, such as additional business information or verification steps. Keep in mind that Klarna does have an approval process, so your account won't be activated instantly in all cases. Klarna will review your application and notify you if your business is approved to offer Klarna payments. Once approved, you'll be able to integrate Klarna into your online store using the tools or plugins provided for your e-commerce platform. After setup, your customers will see Klarna as a payment option at checkout, allowing them to pay later or spread payments over time while you receive the funds according to Klarna's merchant terms. That's how you use Klarna for your business and start offering flexible payment options to your customers.